What's up, guys? It's Alex from StackTrading.com, and today we're closing out Friday solid in the green and 10 days straight of profits since the year started. So I'm super pumped about this. And today's top two trades of the day actually go to two stocks that we ended up shorting, so betting that the stock price will drop. LMND, we ended up shorting this stock because it came to my attention that Citron Research, one of the top short sellers in the industry, was shorting LMND, put his case out there on Twitter and on the internet, and I liked it a lot. So right when it was going to break, right here, 154, 153 range, I called to go short the stock. We bought 152.5 puts, and we ended up taking profits not only here at about 150, but I also called for the stock to drop to 144, which is right around the 13 MA on the daily chart. Guess what we hit? 144, right when it bounced. So we nailed this one perfectly to the T. TLRY is a hot stock right now. It's an overbought territory on the daily chart. So we actually wanted to see TLRY rip up a little bit more than to sell off. Exactly what happened. We got 20 puts on TLRY right when it was breaking 21. We banked over 50% gains on TLRY puts. An incredible trade. This trade was one of the biggest earners today, not only for me personally and for Taj, but for a lot of our traders in the trading room. So if you're interested in checking us out, you can join our community for free and hit us up. Follow us on all of our social media platforms, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And come check us out. We offer a 3-day free trial so you can trade with us live in the swing trading room and live trading room. And if you love what you see, guys, you can subscribe and trade with us every single day for these money making calls. So thanks for tuning in. Monday, the stock market is closed, so we are off to a long weekend. Take care, guys, and we'll see you on Tuesday.